Good morning, everyone. We'll start unit to explain Unit 10, Lesson 2, which is about travels exploration. Be careful for what I'm saying now. Before we start, we have an opener. Grammar review. Do as shown between brackets. I collected flowers from the garden. Make negative. I paint pictures in my free time. Ask question. Let's see sentence number 1. I collected flowers from the garden. Make negative. First, we have to look at the verb in the sentence. We have collected. Collected, what's it tense? Past simple, because we have ed at the end of this verb. Collected. So the negative in the past simple, we have to take didn't and make the verb infinitive. Let's see the answer. I didn't collect flowers from the garden. Sentence number 2. I paint pictures in my free time. Ask question. I paint pictures in my free time. Look at the verb paint in the sentence. Paint which tense? Present simple. So we have to take the auxiliary verb do or does. But the subject I, the plural pronoun, so we have to take do. Oh, yeah, we have to take do. So the question word when do you paint pictures? This is a correction. When do you paint pictures? Question word plus auxiliary verb do plus the subject I turn to you, paint verb infinitive, and the noun pictures. Another correction, what do you do in your free time? After that we have open your student book, page 65. Reading. We know in the previous session more information or some information about Al-Idrisi, Muhammad Al-Idrisi. Muhammad Al-Idrisi was a great scientist and geographer. He was born in 1099 in Morocco. He traveled a lot in Europe, Asia and Africa. Al-Idrisi collected information about different places, and in 1154 he wrote an important book, Roger's Book. It had beautiful map and made of silver. He also collected and studied plants to make medicine. So, read the first paragraph silently, then answer the following question. Where was Al-Idrisi born? What was his occupation? What did his book Roger's Book have? Check your answers. He was born in Morocco. What was his occupation? He was a scientist and geographer. What did his book Roger's Book have? It had a beautiful map made of silver. It had a beautiful map made of silver. Why did he collect and study plants? Why? Why did Muhammad al-Idrisi collect and study plants? He collected and studied them to make medicine. The scientist after that, Leonardo da Vinci. Let's see some information about him. Leonardo da Vinci was a great artist and inventor. He was born in Italy in 1452. He wanted to understand how things worked. He invented many machines such as an airplane, a submarine, and a helicopter. He painted the Mona Lisa. It's probably the most famous painting in the world. Read the second paragraph silently, then answer the following question. Where was Leonardo da Vinci born? What was his occupation? What did his book Kruger's book have? Check your answers. Where was Leonardo da Vinci born? What was his occupation? Again, the first question. Where was Leonardo da Vinci born? He was born in Italy. In Italy. What was his occupation? Mention the machines which he invented. What was his occupation? Let's see in the paragraph. He was a great artist and inventor. So, mention the machines which he invented. He invented the airplane, submarine, and also painted the Mona Lisa. What was the most famous painting in the world? The Mona Lisa. This is the picture of the Mona Lisa, which was the famous painting in the world. Another scientist, the Wright brothers. Let's know some information about them. Wilbur and Orville Wright were two ambitious and clever inventors. They were called the Wright brothers. They were born in the USA. Wilbur was born in 1867 and Orville in 1871. They invented the first airplane. They had a bicycle repair shop. They wanted to fly, so they decided to make a bicycle with wings and an engine. In 17th December 1903, the airplane traveled for 12 seconds. Read the third paragraph silently, then answer the following question. Where were the Wright brothers born? What did they invent? How did they make the plane? Check your answers. They were born in the USA, the United States of America. What they invent a plane. How did they make the plane? They made a bicycle with wings and an engine. Students' book, page 66. Grammar and context. Relative pronouns. We have relative pronouns which, that, where, who, when. We can use which and that for animals and things. We can use which and that with animals and things. Where we can use it for place. Who we can use it for people. When we can use it for time. We can use that for also people. Choose the best answer. Number 1. Illiteracy the geographer who when wrote Roger's book. Illiteracy is a people, so we have to take who. Illiteracy is the geographer who wrote Roger's book. Number 2. In 1903, the plane who was invented by the Wright brothers flew for 12 seconds. The plane which was invented by the Wright brothers flew for 12 seconds. Number 3. Leonardo da Vinci was born in Italy. So Italy is a place we have to take where he invented many machines. Let's see. Check your answers. Idrisi, the geographer who? Number 2. In 1903, the plane which? Leonardo da Vinci, number 3, was born in Italy where? Question between Pratt. My father works at KOC. It was founded in 1934. Join using which? So the correction, my father works at KOC, which was found in 1934. We have to omit it at the first of the second sentence. Number 2. This is my brother. He speaks 2 languages. Using who? We have to omit he at the first of the second sentence and put who instead of it. So this is my brother who speaks 2 languages. This is my brother who speaks 2 languages. I'm sorry. This is my brother who speaks 2 languages. Number 3. Spring is the time when we can enjoy. When we can enjoy. Check your answers. So the correction, my father works at KUC, which was founded in 1934. The correction, this is my brother who speaks 2 languages. 2 languages. Spring is the time when people enjoy the cold weather. Before writing inventions, what importance of inventions? Made life easier and better than before. So inventions changed the ways of communication, changed our health, changed education, made housework easy. What are the qualities of a God scientist? Respectful, adventurous, honest, leader, curious, God planner, open-minded, patient. Quality. A scientist is someone who observes and wonders, listens to the ideas of others, asks questions, conducts experiments, explores the world around them, shares their ideas, and discovers, uses tools to solve problems. Effective group work and classroom. 6. Discuss a complete diagram. Discuss and complete diagram A or B. The importance of invention. You have to write the importance of inventions. And we have to write quality of a good scientist, which we read before. During writing, use your notes to write 2 paragraphs about your topic in your notebook. Read your paragraphs. After writing, if you were a scientist, what would you invent to make life better? Try to get the answer in your mind and write it in your notebook. This is my pleasure. How would life be without inventions? Imagine the answer. How would life be without inventions? This is the question you have to write in your notebook and give me the answer. Thank you.